In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bookmark database in Notion. Think of this as your organized library for links. Every useful website, article, or tool you find has a clear place to live, and you can actually find it again when you need it. Let's get started by creating a new table database in your Notion workspace. Open a new page and choose a table database. You can make it a full page if you want a dedicated hub, or place it in line within an existing page if you prefer to keep it alongside other notes. Either way, you'll see a simple table ready for customization. Next, set up the columns you'll need: title, link, category, tags, and notes. Notion already includes a title column by default, so you can rename it to title if you like. For link, set the property type to URL so it properly recognizes web addresses. For category, choose select so you can pick one clear bucket like work, learning, or inspiration. For tags, use multi-select so you can add multiple keywords such as design, AI, or tutorial. Finally, set notes to text for quick comments like why the resource matters or what to look at later. Consistent property types now will make the database much easier to sort and search later. With the structure ready, start creating a new entry for each website or resource you want to save. Click New or use the empty row at the top, then give it a clear, descriptive title. If the site already has a memorable name, use that. Otherwise, write something that tells future you exactly what this link is for. Paste the website URL into the link property. Notion recognizes URLs and may even help you pull in the site's title automatically, but it's still worth double-checking that the link works and points to the exact page you want to keep. Add tags or categories to organize bookmarks by topic or purpose. Use category for the single, high-level bucket, and tags for more detailed keywords. Keep your tags consistent in spelling and capitalization, so filtering stays clean. If you're not sure which tags to use, start simple and refine as your collection grows. Finally, use filters or gallery views to browse saved resources more easily. Add a filter to show only entries with a certain category or tag, like learning or design. Then try switching the view to gallery for a more visual way to scan your bookmarks. It's especially helpful when you want to explore rather than search. With your views set up, you'll be able to move from collecting links to actually using them quickly and confidently.